I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing.
What's up, my YouTube family? I missed y'all. Okay, so let me give y'all the tea. Let me run it down to you. First off, let me say, if you are a returning subscriber, what's popping, what's happening? If you are new, welcome, and it's nice to see y'all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell button below. I'm gonna make this video quick, easy, because this is gonna be one of many. If you don't know from my previous video, I am in Santo Domingo, about to get this body snatched. This body, yes. So my doctor is Dr.Baez, and I'm staying at Ocean's Recovery House. I've been here for 2 days. It is April 24th. Did I tell y'all that? Yeah, April 24th. I get surgery tomorrow on the 25th. So first off, let me say this. I'm gonna give y'all a full-on house tour. The only thing, I cannot go into other people's rooms, but I can give y'all a regular walkthrough. And that's what I'm gonna do, because I was kind of upset at when I was researching Oceans and Dr. Baez, I did not see too many videos come up. So let me just say, I'm gonna give y'all this tour. I'm gonna give y'all this tour because no one else seems to be doing it, and it really pissed me off. So I didn't know what to expect. Just to give you a quick view, the entire house is mint and white green on the outside, but it's really cute. Trust me, it's cute. Inside, remember I said nothing is really modern, but the house is finished with like marble floor and wood finishing everywhere. I love it. I'm here for a vintage look. The kitchen is huge. Usually it's like 3 people in there. They're always cooking. The food is on point. Like this chicken and salad and rice and fresh pineapple juice, here for it. So once you go up the steps, you have like this sitting area, and it's upstairs in the middle of the room. So you can just sit here, powwow. Y'all see the chandelier? I love it. We have a balcony also on the other side, so you can just look over the swimming pool. They have a seating area over there. It's more than enough room for everyone, and apparently it's 8 girls here, but I have not seen everyone yet, so the house is huge. So this is actually another balcony upstairs where our rooms are, and you can just walk out here and chill and watch and look over the city. I really like this one. I have been out here a few times just to sit and eat my breakfast. And okay, so door number 2. Alright, this is the room, y'all. Like, it's not glitz and glam. You see, like, legit hospital bed, kinda old, whatever. The walk-in closet, the light does not work. That's a bummer. But right now, the lights are out in here. I guess the generator stopped working. Can y'all see? Let me go ahead, yeah. The cabinet, the refrigerator is, I'm not even gonna lie, the refrigerator is nasty. So I ain't putting nothing in here. It's just gonna stay there empty. I'm not touching it. Let me see. So bathroom, it has like the little handicap bars there. The shower is nice. The hot water really doesn't work here. Window, it's basic. It does the job. It gets the job done for real. Not gonna lie. So for people that are not familiar, Ocean's Recovery House is included into Dr. Baez's packages. If you do not want to stay here, they do deduct the price, but you have to go find somewhere else to stay and just pay their fees. To me, it wasn't that serious. I just paid for the package price and came here. If you are looking for something extravagant and modern, this is not the place for you, because it's like bare minimum. It's just a place for you to get well, them to take care of you, and for you to eat. But it's not the glitz, it's not the glam. You will not be treated like a full-on princess. No, it's not. It ain't that, sis. All right. So since we got that out the way, Then today, let me tell y'all what happened. So I had to get up and be out of here by 7 o'clock this morning to get my blood work done. Not in my blood work, my other labs. I got my blood work done actually the day I got off the plane. We went straight there. I didn't even have to unpack anything, bags and all. I was there getting my blood drawn. And I ain't complaining because I wanted to hit the ground running. Like, don't prolong the process. Let's get it done, out the way. So today I got up and was out of here by 7 o'clock. I was back by 10. We went to go get my cardiovascular exam. I don't know what a tomography is or whatever it's called. They put you through the little thing with your hands up. If you know, drop it in the comments because I don't know. I did my breathing test and everything today, did everything to clear me. And I'm cleared, so I get to go have my surgery tomorrow. The only thing was, they checked my blood pressure, and I don't know because I'm nervous, been moving around, and I did eat McDonald's before they checked it, so that might be a reason why. They told me my blood pressure was high. And of course, I've never had that issue. I don't take blood pressure medicine. Dr.Baez assistant texted me immediately and said, I need to take a pill today, a pill tomorrow, and a pill every single day until I leave. Now, remind you, I'm not driving, no nothing, I'm not walking, don't know anything. Within 30 minutes of the assistant texting me, they arrived with my medicine. I only had to pay $4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, it's 10 pills. I only had to pay $4 for this, so not bad. But I mean, I have like really no bad reviews. Like, as soon as I got here, they gave me food. The food was banging. Like, I had grilled chicken, sauteed vegetables, a salad, and some rice. And for people that know me, know I had gastric bypass, so I can't eat a lot. But I tore that chicken up, and I just let them know that I don't want to waste y'all food, so I don't need to eat a whole lot. So she said, fine, no problem. She gave me a bowl of soup for dinner. The soup was good. When I mean these girls can cook, they put their foot in it. Like, they really can cook. And I don't care what nobody say about staying at Oceans. They got some good ass food. Okay? Point blank, period. I mean, other than that, I don't have no objections. I really don't. Like, I just can't wait to show y'all body, give y'all my vlog. It's gonna be the aftercare process that we're really gonna get into some things. It's gonna be aftercare, so I'm excited for y'all. So I know this video is super duper short, but thank you for staying tuned. I appreciate it. So with that being said, thank you guys for staying tuned.